It didn't start out like this. At least, not this way. Things used to be different. Back when I had a choice. And even then, it wasn't mine to make.
You don't have a choice. It isn't yours to make.
But maybe you still can't understand. Heck, I couldn't even understand at first. It was so new to me, being an extractor for a living. It's all I knew how to do, and I did it well. That is, until I considered a new path. The path of Inception.
I need you to accept the mind of a girl named Megan.
Why?
Because she's in the way of me taking over the cupcake industry.
But why us?
Because I need a job to be done, and I have money.
I guess we don't really have a choice, do we?
No, I guess not.
That's how we got ourselves into this mess. And that's why I'm stalking a kid like a pedophile through some school building. I wouldn't do it for any other reason. I don't think.
I got her.
Yep. 3, 2, 1. So, what do you think?
Think about what?
You weren't even listening.
Listening to what?
Forget it. Let's just have a drink.
So what do you guys be having?
Water's fine.
Straight scotch.
We need to go.
I think we have to go now.
Look, listen, your mind is being incepted, okay?
Look.
I'm Mr. Charles. You remember me. We trained for this. We have to go.
No!
We have to go. Sit.
Who was that? Who are you?
Me? I'm a physicist.
And she is the reason that we have to leave.
I'm an architect. I know how to get you out of here. But first, you need to trust us. Do you trust us? Let's go.
How do we go under?
Well, Megan, there's an app for that.
Becca was always on Evan's mind. He kept remembering one of the last moments he spent together with her in this world, the moment they discovered the Doppler effect.
You were waiting for a car. You know where you want this car to take you, but you don't know for sure.
To calculate the apparent frequency coming out of a vehicle, we need to use this equation. We know the velocity of the source is 13.89 meters per second. The velocity of the observer is, of course, 0. The actual frequency is approximately 340 hertz. Using this equation, we can find the apparent frequency. After plugging in our numbers, we solved to find that the apparent frequency is approximately 354 hertz.
I think we're safe now. I think she's gone.
Or were we really safe from her? Even when Megan would find out in any second that we were really incepting her mind, and she'd spin the totem and it would all be over. All he could think about was her.
It's her! Run!
To see if the bullet will shoot Megan, we must calculate its range with this equation. We know that the bullet's original velocity is 2.78 meters per second, the vertical distance above the ground is 1.5 meters, and the acceleration of gravity is 9.8 meters per second. By plugging these values into the equation, we find the horizontal distance that the bullet will travel to be 1.53 meters. Because Megan is only 1 meter away, she will be shot.
I need to drop if we're gonna make it back. If this works.
To see if Evan will sink or float with the PS3 box, we must see the relation between the weight and the buoyant force. We know that Evan's mass is 52.16 kilograms. The mass of the PS3 box is 500 kilograms. We also know that Evan's volume with the box is 0.065 meters cubed, and the density of water is 1,000 kilograms per meter squared. And we also know that the acceleration of gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Using this equation, we find out that the buoyant force is 637 newtons. Evan's weight with the box is 5,450 newtons. Because Evan's weight is greater than the buoyant force, he will sink.
Did we fail? I think we did. Is she dead? She's not waking up. God. I think she's dead. Well, did we fail? I guess she can't take over the cupcake industry. So she's dead. She can't do anything.
Guess we did it.